What's up, YouTube? This is going to be a video coming out right after the video I just posted, which was on the Junker Zippo box. So this video is going to be the update on the Zippo that I stripped the finish off of. And it honestly, if you compare this Zippo now compared to the Zippo that it was just a few days ago, it has changed drastically. As a matter of fact, it has changed a lot more than this Zippo has changed, or this Zippo has changed, or these Zippos have changed. And I'm going to show you an overshot of all of them. However, first I'm going to pull this out just a little bit so I can go ahead and show you the tarnish on this one, because it's kind of interesting. So that's the one I stripped. This is one I've been carrying, and I've polished maybe, I don't know, once when it was brand new before I actually started using it. As you can see, there's still areas of high polish. However, it's a lot darker than this one. This one is pretty much tarnished evenly across the whole lighter so far, and I quite like it. And it's still reflective, however, it's a little lighter tarnish, and I don't exactly understand why. And this Zippo would be the perfect Zippo for nickel plating. As a matter of fact, this Christmas, that is what I'm going to be doing. While I'm down in North Carolina, I'm going to try. I got to make the nickel solution. I have a nickel anode on its way here, and I am going to be nickel plating one of these with a car battery charger. Now, the only problem with that is, depending on how big the container is, it could plate it way too fast and cause variations. However, that could be cool. So let me know what you guys think in the comments if you want to see that, a video on that, a video on me nickel plating it as I'm nickel plating it. But anyway, this is the brush chrome tarnish. As you can see, it's not really tarnished that much because I only used it about 2 weeks or 3 weeks before getting this lighter, which I've been carrying for about the same time now, maybe a little less. However, I've been using it and been doing Zippo tricks with this one a lot more than that one, even though this one's easier to do Zippo tricks with, in my opinion. However, this was one I just decided, again, I went to Walmart and I was like, yo, I should try to strip the paint off of it so I can have a canned bottom solid brass Zippo. And that's what I have, and as you can see, it has changed. Now, the only variation of all these tarnishes is with my Zippo Gold Dust, which the tarnish I kind of removed with acetone. However, you can kind of still see it. You see that tarnish, that weird speckled tarnish? That has been happening, as you can see right there where my thumb is, that little area has been happening all over this lighter, and it used to be worse. However, I removed most of it. However, I think I'm going to let it just tarnish over again. But that's the difference in all these Zippos tarnish. To be honest, this one is my favorite because it's the lightest colored, and you can still see me in the Zippo there. But anyway, that is the difference in this compared to all these others, is it doesn't have that coating. And I think that coating, once it wears off, creates the illusion that the Zippo is becoming darker. Well, it's not an illusion, it actually is becoming darker, but like compared to this one, I mean, this is a lot less dark than compared to this one. And even this one, for whatever reason, if it doesn't have any coating on it, it more like evenly tarnishes. And eventually this will get this dark, don't get me wrong. It's just going to do it all at once. It's not going to be, you know, wearing in one area and still high polish in another area. It's going to be all at once that it tarnishes over, because this had matte coating on it. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Do whatever you want to do. Anything you do helps. So, again, I'll see you in the next video, which I don't know exactly when it'll be coming out, because I have a couple more Zippos on the way, and I have other things planned as well. But we'll have to see. Whenever I have a chance to make a video, I'll make one. And I'll see you in the next video.